in a lot of environments, there's a directory, and then there's something that's called a meta directory. And the meta directory is really the one that's actually doing what I'm talking about, really going out and pulling all of that information. Meta directory, metadata is data about data. And so you can have a directory that all the tools and all the applications communicate to, and then you have a meta directory that actually is collecting all of the identity information and feeding it into the directory. So if you think about, you have a directory that's centralized, that has all the information for access decisions to be made, and all of the applications that need to make identity management processes. The directory is a centralized place. It could have a meta directory that's actually going out and getting the information and then populating the directory itself. Now, it could be a meta directory, which means that it actually has the information that is pulled from the different what's called identity stores. So it would pull information from maybe a SQL database, maybe from a mainframe, maybe from some type of server, maybe from some type of another type of database. So the meta directory means the data is actually there. Now, what the industry is moving more towards is what's called a virtual directory. The virtual directory doesn't actually hold all of the data in one directory, in one database. It knows where all the information is. So when a request comes in, let's say a user wants to access a resource, there's going to be a request that comes in and will look at the data or ask for some specific data from the directory. Now, the virtual directory knows where the information is on the other system, so it will redirect to where that is. So a virtual directory doesn't actually have the information physically there in a directory, in a database, but a meta directory does.